I spent 5 years chasing a gym body with heavy lifting and high intensity cardio, but I was always puffy and exhausted. The moment I traded the squat rack for a pair of walking shoes, the inflammation dropped, the stubborn fat melted, and my body finally leaned out. I'm about to break down the cortisol trap of intense exercise and why low intensity movement acts like a secret weapon for fat loss. Stick around until the end to learn the 10-minute post meal hack that stabilizes your blood sugar and burns fat while you rest. If you scroll away now, you'll keep repeating the high stress cycle that keeps your body holding on to weight despite your hard work. Most people equate fitness with suffering. We think if we aren't gasping for air or crawling out of the gym, we aren't working hard enough. This creates a chronic stress response in the body, spiking cortisol, which forces the body to store fat, specifically around the midsection, and holds on to water weight. It's a vicious cycle that keeps you stuck. But wait, the craziest part is still ahead because the way you move your body daily actually matters more than those grueling gym sessions. If you're tired of the gym grind, hit that like button so we can change the narrative. Start by prioritizing NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis, over gym hours. Research shows NEAT can vary by up to 2,000 calories per day between two people. Your goal is to get 8,000 steps before you even look at a gym. A retail worker is often leaner than a desk-bound gym goer because they move all day. The biggest mistake is thinking 1 hour of sweating cancels out 9 hours of sitting. Next, focus on the Zone 2 pace. This keeps your heart rate in the fat-burning sweet spot without stressing your nervous system. Walk at a pace where you can still hold a conversation. If you're power walking so hard you can't speak, you're doing it wrong. And what happens next? You're going to want to start the post-meal walk. This clears glucose from your bloodstream before it turns into fat. Just a 10-minute stroll after lunch or dinner makes a massive difference. Don't fall into the trap of hitting the couch right after you eat. If you've ever felt like your current workout is actually working against you, subscribe. We're looking deeper into the science. You can also try weighted rucking. Just put 10 to 15 pounds in a backpack to add muscle engagement without the joint-crushing impact of heavy lifting. Just don't add too much weight too fast, or you'll burn out. Try to get out into nature instead of using a treadmill. Uneven terrain engages your stabilizing muscles and reduces mental fatigue. Don't just stare at a TV while you walk. Finally, hit the morning sunlight protocol. Get outside within 30 minutes of waking up. It resets your circadian rhythm, which regulates your metabolic hormones. Checking emails before getting light is a huge mistake. Here is a little secret I use. I only listen to my favorite podcasts or audiobooks while walking. It creates a psychological craving to move because I'm rewarding my brain with entertainment only when I'm on my feet. Today, take a 10-minute walk after your biggest meal. This week, replace one hard cardio session with a 60-minute outdoor walk. By next week, aim for 8,000 steps minimum every single day. Stop punishing your body into submission. Start moving it with intention. You don't need another HIIT class. You need consistency. Start small today and watch how your body shifts in just 2 weeks. You have the power to transform your health by simply changing how you move throughout your day. So stay committed to these simple habits and notice the real physical progress that follows when you stop overtraining.